Let us see 13th question of the exercise 9.6. Here we have to find the particular solution for satisfying the given condition. Here there is given the differential equation dy upon dx plus 2y into 10x equal to sin x, and there is given y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 3. We have to apply this condition. So first you will compare the given first order linear differential equation with the dy upon dx plus p into y equal to q. If you compare with this, so you will get the value of p. P will be 2 into 10x, because 2 into 10x into y will be py. So 2 into 10x will be p and q will be sin x. Q equal to sin x. Now we will find the integrating factor if. So it is e raised to power integration of p into dx. So first we will find integration of p into dx. That will be 2 into 10x into dx. And we know that integration of 10x, you can write it sin x upon cos x into dx. If you take cos x as a t, cos x equal to t, so dt upon dx will be minus sin x, which means minus dt equal to sin x into dx, which is given here. Dx into sin x will be minus dx, sin x into dx will be minus dt, we will replace. So it will be 2 integration of, it will be sin x into dx will be minus dt, means this minus also will take outside. So minus 2 dt upon t, and integration of dt upon t will be log of t, which means minus 2 into this will be log of t is cos x. So this minus also will shift this side upside. So it will be that also minus 2 will shift upside. So it will be log of cos of x raised to power minus 2. Okay, and that to remove this minus sign from the power, we can write inverse of this cos x, means it will be what, log of 1 upon cos x, that we can write sec x. So it will be log of, this is square, that's why we will write sec square x. So log of sec square x, we got integration of p into dx. So if will be integration of e raised to power integration of p into dx, which means e raised to power log of sec square x, and e raised to power integration of p into dx, we got log of sec square x. So e raised to power log of sec square x we got. This e and log will be removed, so which means you will get sec square x. Okay, this will be if. Now we have to find the solution. So y into I into f equal to integration of q into if plus c. So y into if, you got sec square x equal to q you have how much, sin x into this sec square x plus c. If we got sec square x, so sec square x we can write sin x upon cos x square, cos square x. So cos square x we can write it cos x into cos x plus c, which means y into sec square x we can write this way. Okay, now we can get here y equal to, or y into sec square x equal to, will write sin x upon cos x will be 10x and 1 upon cos x will be sec x. into dx. Here also dx, here also dx, plus c. So 10x into sec x will be what? Sec x. Integration of 10x into sec x will be sec x. So y into sec square x equal to, this we got sec x plus c. Now we will divide by this sec square x. So y equal to, we'll get sec x upon sec square x plus c upon sec square x. So y equal to, we got sec x, 1 will be cancelled, and that we will 1 upon sec x will be cos x, plus here we will write cos square x into c. So this will be general solution. Now we will substitute y equal to 0 when x equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60. So we will write here 0 equal to cos 60, cos pi by 3, plus cos square pi by 3 into c. So this cos pi by 3 will be what? 1 upon 2. So cos 60 means 1 upon 2. So this we can get here 1 upon 2 plus here 1 upon 2 square into c. So this 1 upon 2 will shift towards 0. So it will be minus 1 upon 2 equal to, this is 1 upon 4 plus into c. Okay. So 1 upon 4 we will shift here. So c we will get here, c equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 4, which means 2 will be cancelled and it will be inverse. So c equal to, or we can write 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4. So minus 1 upon 2 into, if we will make it inverse of 4 upon 1, means 2 2s are, means c equal to minus 2 we got. So again you can substitute this value in this equation. This was general solution, equation 1. So in the equation 1, if you substitute c, so you will get here y equal to, particular solution will be y equal to, from equation 1 cos x plus, and here cos square x into minus 2, which means y equal to cos x minus 2 into cos square x. This will be particular solution when y equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 3.